You gonna help mommy put away the dishes today, or are you just gonna lay there? Are we just gonna have a lazy day? No dishes today, Chef? Chevy, wanna help mommy put away the dishes? Yeah? Yeah, you gonna help mommy put away the dishes? Huh? Yeah. Can we sit and be a good girl? Good girl, baby. You're doing so good with your sitting. Now we have our issues sometimes, don't we? That's okay. But you've been doing very good. Yes. See how she comes? And then she's got to lay literally right by me. This is an everyday occurrence. If I'm cooking, that's what she wants to do. If I'm doing the dishes, this is what she wants to do. I know they say Velcro puppies and dogs are not the best, but this one, Chevy, you're just too precious, aren't you? I would welcome this than her biting any day. Wouldn't I, baby? You say hi. Hi, everyone. Oh, we're gonna be shy. We're gonna be shy, aren't we?